sige. Isa.
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Tatlo.
Tatlo.
Tutla.
Tutla. What are those?
Body parts are
Body parts. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Body parts. What are those three?
What is that in English?
What are those in English? Oh, body parts. So, sige, body parts. Any body parts that you remember. Tagalog. Ano to?
top.
Ano to? Wala na, nalimutan na.
I can't read
This, ano to?
the
Ha? Ito. Wala ka malalakit isa?
yeah.
Ito. Patay ka din, ha? Ano to sa English?
Eyes.
Ano to? Ito.
No. What?
In English.
Tagalog or
English na lang. English muna, English. Ito.
head,
Ito.
ear,
Ito.
nose,
Ito.
mouth,
Ito.
head,
Ito.
neck.
Alam mo siya sa English. Tagalog naman. O, any Tagalog na lang. Any Tagalog. Kahit ano, any Tagalog words that you know.
Salamat po.
Oh, what's that in English?
Thank you.
Okay, what else? That's right, that's correct. What else?
Oh.
What's that in English?
Yes.
Okay, good. One more. What's that? Any more?
Lana.
Lana, what's that in English?
No more.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
How about the Lupang Hinirang? Can you sing it?
Lupang Hinirang.
What's Lupang Hinirang? It's not the start, Lupang Hinirang. Bayang Magiliw. Go.
Oh. Bayang Giliw. Talas na silalang. Alam sa puso. Sa titip ay buhay. Lupang Hinirang. Tuyang kandi. Wait,
Go.
I forgot.
Go.
Bayang Giliw. Talas na silalang. Alam na puso. Sa titip ay buhay. Lupang Hinirang. Tuyang. Wait.
Go. Just skip that part. Duyan ka ng magiting.
Tuyang kandi.
Okay.
Sa
Manlulupig.
sa dagat tundok sa sibuha sa langit buhay. What?
Forgot. May dilag ang tula.
Tuyang forgot.
That's it? That's all you got? So you need to read more the one I
I
put.
can't do it.
Yeah. You need to read more about the one that I posted. But nice. It's good job already.
At least.
You have a lot of,
You got it.
how many are those? Almost 10. 10 words.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Good job, good job.